Good morning, students of class 7. Previous class exercise 15b we have completed. Today we will start exercise 15c. Before that, some concepts you have to know, that is, you will take it in your book. Triangle inequality. What is triangle inequality? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. If we will take a triangle and we will measure it, suppose BC that length is A, AC that length is B, and AB that length is C, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So the conditions will be A plus B greater than C. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Or you can write B plus C greater than A, or C plus A greater than B. So if these three conditions will satisfy, then you can say triangle inequality satisfied. So sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is one rule, and another important result is the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. If sum, that will be greater than the third side. If difference or minus, that will be less than the third side. So here in exercise 15c, only question number 1, 2, 3 you will solve. From question number 4 to 7 no need to solve, because that's our proof, so that you have to not do. Only question number 1, 2, 3 you will do. Question number 1, is it possible to draw a triangle of lengths of whose sides are given below? Here three sides of a triangle is given, and you have to check that we can draw a triangle with these three sides. So what we have to do? We have to apply the triangle inequality. If sum of the two sides will be greater than the third side, then it will be possible to draw a triangle. So question number 1 is same as example number 1, 2 and 3. So I am explaining example number 2. In the same way you will do question number 1 of exercise 15c. Okay, so here in example 2, see that three sides are given, and in the question, same question is there. Can we form a triangle with using these three sides? So 10.3 I have taken as small a, 5.8 as small b, and 4.6 as small c. So what are the conditions we have to apply? A plus b is greater than c. So here a plus b we have done, which is, if after doing this addition, what will come? 16.1 will come. So 16.1 is greater than 4.6. Sum of the two sides, that is A and that is B. A plus B is greater than C. It is satisfied. Similarly, B plus C is greater than A. It is also satisfied. And then A plus C greater than B. This is also satisfied. So if these three conditions will satisfy, then we can say the sum of any two of these numbers is greater than the third. Hence it is possible to draw a triangle whose sides are these. That means if these three conditions will satisfy, that is A plus B greater than C, B plus C greater than A, and A plus C is greater than B, if three conditions will satisfy, then we can say yes, we can draw the triangle. Now in question number 2, exercise 15c, same question number 2 is example number 5. So example number 5 I am explaining. On the same way you will solve question number 2 in your home. See that two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm long. What can be the length of its third side? So for a triangle, any two sides is given. One side is 6 cm, another side is 8 cm. What will be the possible length of the third side? You have to find. So how we will find? Let the length of the third side be x centimeter, and now we know that sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. So sum of two sides are given. 6 plus 8 is greater than the third side. So hence it is coming 14 greater than x. That means x is less than 14 or 14 greater than x. Also another what result we know? Difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That means 8 minus 6 is less than x. that means 2 is less than x, that means x is greater than 2. So combining this is 1 and this is 2. So combining 1 and 2, what will come? X is greater than 2 and x is less than 14. So that's why x is on the middle. X is greater than 2 and less than 14. So what will be the value of x? It will be greater than 2, that means from 3 it will start, and it is less than 14, that means from 3 to 13 any length will be the third side. So hence the length of the third side must be larger than 2 cm, smaller than 14 cm. Now question number 3 is the short question. Fill in the blanks. This figure is given and here greater than, less than or equal to you have to put. PA plus PB, if we will take this triangle PA plus PB and this is given AB, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. So PA plus PB will be greater than AB, correct? Next is PB and PC. So PB plus PC, if we will take this triangle, PB plus PC is greater than BC, triangle inequality. And then the last one is AC. AC and PA plus PC, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. So that will be this sign. Sum of the two sides will be greater than the third side. Okay, so exercise 15C, only question number 1, 2, 3 you have to solve. Already I have explained by using the examples. On that way you will solve in your home. Okay.